Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, delicious, and healthy home-cooked recipes. And today, I will share another recipe that is easy, delicious, and healthy that fit to your budget. Bok Choy with minced pork. Write in the comment what country you are watching my video. For my followers, thank you for being with me once again. And for my new viewers, I hope you enjoy and learn from this recipe. And subscribe at the end of the video. Have 1 piece of medium-sized tomato. Cut, remove the hard core, and cut into cubes. Tomatoes are juicy fruits that can boost your health and beauty with their rich nutrients and antioxidants. Lycopene, the pigment that gives tomatoes their red color, is a powerful protector against cancer, heart disease, and skin aging. This recipe is made easy for you to follow. This recipe is good for 1 to 2 serving. If you need to serve more than adjust the ingredients, subscribe to join our community. We love hearing from you. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients and their benefits are even greater when they are cooked, helping towards lower blood fat levels, quicker post-exercise recovery times, healthier skin, and a reduced cancer risk. So both cooked and raw tomatoes are full of nutrients. One piece of pepper. Cut and remove the both ends. Slice in the middle, remove the seeds, and then slice. This kind of pepper is just mild. It can bring a little bit kick to the food. Aside from its tasty goodness, it helps prevent disease and improving well-being with phytochemicals and antioxidants, reducing inflammation and improving cardiovascular health, maintaining stomach health and facilitating digestion with fiber, increasing metabolism and lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels, relieving pain and swelling associated with bone disorders like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us, what would you like to see next? Chop or mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. It won't be a mistake if you add more. Because garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties, it is highly nutritious, but has very few calories. Garlic can help protect against illness, including the common cold. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. We need 1 piece of medium size of red onion and slice. Did you know that onions are rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin, anthocyanins, and sulfur compounds? They have analgesic properties and can relieve pain and swelling. They treat ulcers by healing the gastric mucosa and preventing bacterial growth. Can you still follow the recipe? Subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always updated. Have 1 piece of bok choy and cut into quarter. In a saucepan, put a bowl of water, add 1 tablespoon of salt and some drops of cooking oil. Wait until the water boils, then put the bok choy. Leave it for 1 minute, then remove and set aside. Hit the like button if you're ready for more easy, quick, and healthy home-cooked recipes. In heat pan with vegetable oil, sauté the garlic, onion, and tomatoes. Keep on cooking for 3 minutes. What are your views? Tell us in the comments. Add the minced pork and continue cooking for 2 minutes. Explore our playlist for more easy, healthy, home-cooked recipes. Subscribe, join our community. We love hearing from you. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, 1 teaspoon basil, 1 teaspoon parsley, and 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. Continue mixing the ingredients for 1 minute, then add the bell pepper, then turn off the heat. I hope you enjoy and learn today's recipe, and hope to see you on my next video. Subscribe and turn on notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.